Yeah. Hello everyone. I'm myself Raj. So currently I'm doing my bachelor's of technology in the field of computer science and engineering, and I'm currently in the third sem of my course. So today we'll discuss some basic points in the field means in the field of microprocessors, and that is future of microprocessors. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Yeah. So these are some basic table of contents. First we'll go through introduction, then we'll see the evolution of microprocessor. After that, current trends in microprocessor, then challenges in microprocessor development. After that, we'll come to the our main topic, that is future of microprocessor, and at last we'll see conclusion, the importance of microprocessors, which is very means we can say that importance of microprocessors. Without microprocessor we can't have PC, mobile phones, any smart device. So yeah, microprocessor is very important. Yeah, let's get next slide. So what is introduction? So this basic points that we are going to get a deep dive in the exciting world of microprocessors. They're just tiny chips, but they are backbone of modern technology, powering everything from smartphones to supercomputers. But what does the future hold for this little powerhouse? So yeah, there are some tiny chips, but they are the heart of saying smart device. So yeah, in this presentation, we'll explore the latest trends and development in microprocessor technology, and we'll take a glimpse in the future of computing. So yeah, buckle up and get ready for a wild ride. Okay? Yeah. Next. We'll see evolution of microprocessor. Microprocessor have came a long way since their inception in early 1970s. Once in the early 1970s, microprocessor is came into the market. So the first microprocessor was Intel 4004, was a 4-bit processor that could perform around 60,000 operations per second. So you can imagine that in the early 90s also, this 4-bit microprocessor can perform multiple operation, means 60,000. You can imagine that human being can't perform one operation in per second, right? He needs at least 30 seconds to 1 minute, but this microprocessor can perform 60,000 per second in, that is also in early 90s. And today's microprocessor on the other hand can perform billions of operations per second and are capable of handling complex tasks like artificial intelligence and machine learning. And this is damn true, because we can imagine that growth of technology is exponential. So if the microprocessor is performing 60,000 operations in early 90s, then in today's world, means in today's year, that is 2023, billions, it is not surprising. Yeah, correct. So over the years, as the years passes, microprocessor have become smaller and faster and more powerful. This is a main point that need to be noted. Means what is basic point that in early 90s microprocessor were small, no doubt. They are not like big machines or like big chips or big things. They are just small, and yet they are faster. But as technology are growing, as modern era is coming, means microprocessors have become very small. Means we can say that first of all, microprocessor is of size of 5 centimeter to 5 centimeter like that, but now it is becoming smaller and smaller and yet faster. So we can say that we are getting benefit in both ways. We are getting faster calculations operations, and also it requires less space because it becomes smaller and smaller. Okay. So yeah, they have also become more energy efficient, which has allowed for the development of portable devices like laptops, smartphones, etc. Means we can say that in the early 90s there were huge computers. Means we can say there was a very big CPU, big monitor, big keyboards, and like that. But in today's devices, thin laptops, tiny, very durable laptops, in fact, smartphones, this all have become possible due to this reason. We can see that it has become smaller, so easy to carry and faster. As we can see, smartphones are very fast, means, and due to this high core microprocessors. Yeah, advances in manufacturing technology have made it possible to pack more transistor onto a single chip. Yes, this is the main point, that why how we can make this microprocessors small. We are making, what we are doing is that we are trying to pack more transistor into a single chip, not in multiple chips. What we were doing, that there were many chips and many transistors, but currently we are just packing very large number of transistors into a single chip, leading to development of multi-core processors that can handle multiple tasks simultaneously. So basically, as we are as I explained you, that many transistor into a single piece chip, it leads to multi-core processor. What is difference between single core and multi-core? Means basically single core is means single transistor into a single chip, and multi-core means multi-triple transistor into a single chip. So multi-core processors basically used to do multiple tasks simultaneously. The thing is that in today's world, every person needs, at least we can say in basic language, he needs to work on 7 to 8 tabs simultaneously. Means he want to run YouTube also, he want to run VS Code software also, he also wants to run uh, WhatsApp also, he also wants to run some documentation purpose, so Google also. This all things are possible means into a single time because of multi-core processor. Multi-core processor allow us to do multiple tasks. In fact, I am just telling 6 to 7 tabs, but you can have number of tabs, means you can say 20 to 25 tabs open at a single time due to this high core processors, multi-core processors. Yeah, so this is how evolution of microprocessor has came till now. Means it has, we can say it has grown exponentially. So let's get into next topic, that is what is current trends in microprocessor. One of the biggest trend in microprocessor technology is the integration of AI and ML capabilities. Means, as we know, AI and ML is the future, and currently also it is in its great pace. So combining microprocessor technology and AI and ML gives a very wonderful and flexible technology. So these technology are being used to create more intelligent and efficient systems that can learn from data, adapt to changing environment. Means, yeah, due to due to combination of AI and ML with microprocessor, what is possible, that AI and ML is used to collect data from the, means it has large number out of data that what a particular user requires. So according to the requirement of humans, means user, we can say, microprocessor can develop its technology. Means we can, in the basic language, we can say that user need this requirement, microprocessor can adapt it. Means we can say that the thing which user needs, microprocessor is ready to deliver it. Means dynamically. For example, companies like Intel and Nvidia are developing specialized processor for deep learning applications, which can process massive amount of data and perform complex calculation at lightning fast speed. So the thing which I told you, that due to AI and ML, data is being captured by these big brands like Intel and Nvidia, and according to the requirement of user, they are making microprocessor based on the requirement of user. Like for example, the calculations of applications of deep learning are very complex, so they are making microprocessor required for deep learning applications, which performs massive amount of calculations in the lightning fast speed. Right? What is another trend of microprocessor technology is the move forward smaller and more powerful efficient chips. Yeah, that, as we discovered in the previous slide, they are getting smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and in the compact size, and they are more efficient more power efficient chips. This is especially important for mobile devices, which require long battery life and compact design. Companies like Qualcomm and ARM are leading the way in this area with the latest processors offering improved performance and technology, energy efficiency compared to previous generation. So these companies, for example, in today's smartphones, Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 720 processor, this all means Qualcomm companies like Qualcomm is trying to apply the same technology, same trend that they use. They want that processor need to be very small and very power efficient. What is the benefit of being small processor is that today in today's world everybody needs a compact design. Means if smartphone will be this much size, means we can say that 5 inches and it perform massive calculation. It is more preferred by people because it can have if smaller the smartphone it can be fit everywhere. So small the processor, small the space it will require in the smartphone, and yeah, small the devices. Next, okay. Then what are the challenges in microprocessor development? Means we are telling till now we are talking about that mic. Sorry, till now we are talking about that microprocessor need to be very small so that and also very powerful so that it can perform multiple calculations in lightning fast speed. But there are many challenges here. Means you also want small device, you also want faster things. Then challenges are obvious thing. Yeah, so let's get. So, what is a microprocessor development is a complex and challenging process that requires careful consideration of many factors. You need to be very careful while making microprocessor. One of the biggest challenges that developer face is managing power consumption. As microprocessors become more powerful and complex, they require more energy to operate, which can lead to the issue with overheating and reduced battery life. Yes, this is one, we can say, limitation or drawback which we are facing currently, because as we talked that microprocessor are also small, also they want to be more powerful, so they will consume more power, and due to this, more power, sometimes it get overheat, and due to which it gets sometimes blast or stop working, and it also reduces battery life of the device, particular device like laptop or mobile phones. So this is main issue that we want all, means we want small and powerful, so it consumes more energy. Yeah. So another major challenge in microprocessor development is managing heat dissipation. So as microprocessor becomes smaller and more densely packed, they generate more heat. Yeah, that is obvious thing. Means it is as it is consuming more power, it will dissipate more heat, right? Which can lead to performance issue and even damage to the device. As I talked earlier, that microprocessors sometimes get blast. Means blast means just we can say that connection gets disturbed and wires get damaged and all things. Um, so that is also that performance can be downgrade and even damage the device. So if microprocessor will get something burned, it will also affect the device also, because microprocessor is a hardware that is fitted inside the device, in particular laptop, PC, mobile phone, or smartwatches also in today's world. Developers must carefully design and test their micro to ensure that they are able to handle the heat generated during operation. Yeah, developers must. What is the duty of developer? Developer must do all tests. Means he must do the test to the, means we can say, to the worst case. Means he so that if user also do complex calculation, he or she doesn't get any problem like burning or like that. So he must do all tests to in the worst case and ensure that the heat dissipation is in control or not. If not, he need to check the microprocessor design again and maybe start from the scratch also. Yeah. What is future of microprocessor? Let us discuss future of microprocessor. So basically, this is our main topic that we saw till now is what is past of microprocessor, and means, what are problems facing currently. So one of the most exciting potential future advancement in microprocessor technology. is quantum computing. Now, quantum computing is very, we can say, vast topic, and it is very fascinating, right? So, due to quantum computing, micro future of microprocessors, I think is nice. Means we can say that we'll get more faster processors, and that to be in very compact size. Now I'm talking about compact size means you can imagine like microprocessor like a size of tablet. Unlike traditional computing, which relies on the bits that can only be either 0 or 1, computers use qubits that can exist in multiple states simultaneously. Means in binary bits, we can use 0 or 1 only. But in qubits, we will have multiple states simultaneously, allowing for exponentially faster processing speeds. Now, as there will be more bits, we will have faster processing speeds, which will be exponential. While still in the early stages, quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize fields such as cryptography, drug discovery, and climate modeling. I hope you got it. The quantum computer has potential to do everything. Another promising area of development is neuroformic computing, which seek to mimic the structure and function of human brain by using network of artificial neurons. Neuromorphic processor can perform tasks such as image recognition and natural language processing more efficiently than traditional processor. This could lead to breakthrough in the fields such as robotics, autonomous vehicles, and healthcare. So yes, we all know that in our brain neuron signals are passed. So using that neuron signals, using of this quantum means quantum computing, we can make processors which can predict which can predict image and natural language processing. And what is going in the human brain in particular person, we can predict that by using of microprocessors in computing. Means we can say that, I guess, the person who is sitting in front of me, what is he or she thinking about me, we can get it. This is thing like, we can say that some surprise or like that, means superpower that we can able to know what the second person or third person trying to think about us. So what is conclusion? The importance of microprocessor. See, microprocessor is heart of any electronic device that we can justify from the discussion which we have made till now. So without microprocessor, you just have a, means we can say that a body without brain or heart. Correct? Body without brain or heart is useless. We can't do any functioning. Maybe what we sorry means any functioning is not able to do without brain or heart. Conclusion is this: without microprocessors, system can't be made. So we have seen how microprocessors have evolved over time, from their humble beginnings as simple calculators to the powerful processors that drive modern computers and devices. We also discussed the current trend in microprocessor technology, including the existing exciting advancement in AI and ML, as well as the challenges that developers face when creating these technologies. However, despite these challenges, the potential future advancement in microprocessor technology are truly mind-blowing. As we have discussed about quantum computing to neuromorphic computing, the possibility of future of microprocessor are endless. Yeah, we are all satisfied with it. Means we all can agree with it. Future of microprocessor is damn very much nice. So it is clear that microprocessor will continue to play a crucial role in the shaping the future of technology, and it is up to us as developers and innovators to push the boundaries of what is possible with these amazing technologies. So yes, we are the developers, we are the innovators, and we must think deep into how we can make this technology a better and better for a good future or a good tech discovery. So I hope you all got the point. What was microprocessor? how it evolved, challenges which we are facing, and future. That is, you can use it in quantum computing a nice way, in a nice manner. So yes, this is the future of microprocessor. Thank you very much for listening me. I am Raj Shah at the student of computer science department. My ID is 22CS079. If you want to contact me, you can mail me at this email ID, that is 22CS079 at chartset.edu.in. And I'll see you in the next you guys in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring. Bye bye.